So this is Indian festival special. Dear friends, we see that many people of hypertension, diabetes and heart diseases, they are often being deprived of tasting sweets and different type of dishes in festivals like Deepavali, Holi and in various other parts of the India. Dear friends, I am here to tell you about the caloric value of each festival food. You have to normally a patient of diabetes and hypertension or obesity. They are restricted to a diet of 1500 to 1800 calories. So, there is no harm in taking these festival dishes with a specific quantity. Dear friends, I am going to tell you that please eat for the taste, not for the quantity. If you will eat for the taste in a small quantity, keep it in your mouth, on your tongue for longer time, you will enjoy it without disturbing your health status in your disease. So, friends, let's start with food values of Indian dishes which are being prepared in the festival. The first one is Moti Chur Laddu. Moti Chur Laddu, one laddu has got 245 calories and it has got 25 grams of sugar or carbohydrate and 15 grams of fat or oil. Next is jalebi, very delicious mouth-watering dish. One piece of jalebi contains 135 calories, 135 kilocalories, and carbohydrate amounting to 15 gram and fat is 8 gram. Next is another very delicious dish, rabdi. 100 ml or half cup of rabdi contains 256 calories, 39 grams of carbohydrate or sugars and 8 grams of fat or oils. Yet another important and mouth-watering dish is malpua. Malpua contains, one piece of malpua contains 300 calories, 39 grams of carbohydrate or sugars and 8 grams of fat or oils. Next one is very seasonal dish, gajar ka halwa. Gajar ka halwa 100 ml or half cup contains 400 calories. Dear friends, 400 calories. And it contains 40 grams of carbohydrates or sugars and 22 grams of fat. Dear friends, next is rice kheer. Again a very homely fine dish, mouth-watering too. It contains 100 ml of kheer. That is half cup of kheer contains 150 calories. It contains 19 gram of carbohydrate or sugars and 7.5 grams of fat or oils. Another delicious dish is nariyal ke laddu. Nariyal ke laddu, one piece of nariyal ka laddu that approximately weighs 50 gram contains 237 calories, 19.2 grams of carbohydrates or sugar and 16.4 grams of fat or oils. Another round the year popular dish, especially in the evening snacks, Samosa, dear friends. Samosa, one piece of samosa contains 375 calories and carbohydrate content is 28 grams and fat content is 25 grams. Another is gujia, which is very popular in Deepavali. Gujia, two pieces of gujia contains 550 calories and 35 grams of carbohydrate or sugars and 42 grams of fat and oils. And dear friends, our last dish and very mouth-watering and round the year popular dish after each and every party and marriage is gulab jamun. Neither it contains gulab or rose nor it contains jamun, but it is gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is very popular and tasty dish, dear friends. And one piece of gulab jamun contains 170 calories and 20 grams of carbohydrates or sugars and 10 grams of fat. Now, friends, you know the importance of calories. Calories in a food is like petrol in a car. We need energy and car also needs energy. So our body takes food so that our body may run through this calorie. But when this is in excess, it gets deposited in our tissue and gives rise to various diseases like obesity, heart disease, and many other problems like sugar. So, dear friends, be amount conscious. Taste each and everything on the festival. I can bet you nothing is going to be harmed, but be amount conscious. Take for example one moti chur laddu. You don't take because you have sugar, but I will advise you on the festival take 1/4 laddu and take very small part into your mouth and enjoy. It is your tongue which needs the taste and it doesn't require quantity. It requires a very small quantity to get it satisfied. The friends enjoy each and every dish of the festival, but be amount conscious, eat very slowly, focus on the taste of food, and you will enjoy your life and your quality of life